Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share Uber trip details. This is incredibly useful when you want to let friends or family know where you are during a ride, or if you need to share trip information for business expense tracking. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to m.uber.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Uber homepage where you can manage all your ride activities and settings. Now look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Activity. Click on it. This section is where Uber stores all your ride history and trip information, making it easy to review past trips or access current ride details. Once you're in the Activity section, direct your attention to the upper right panel again. Here you'll notice a button that says Personal. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you can select different trip categories, whether it's personal, business, family, or delegate. This filtering system helps you organize your trips based on their purpose, which is especially handy if you use Uber for multiple reasons throughout the week. Since I don't have any active Uber trips at the moment, I'll walk you through what you would see next. In the upper right corner, you'll also find an option called All Trips. Click on this to display a comprehensive list of all your rides, whether they happened in the past few days or even months ago. This view gives you complete control over accessing any trip you've taken. Once you've located the specific Uber trip you want to share, you'll see a Share button next to it. Depending on your trip status, this button might also appear as Send Status or Share Trip. These options allow you to share live tracking information or completed trip details with anyone you choose. Finally, tap on Share to send the live tracking link. You can distribute this link via SMS or any messaging app you prefer. This feature is particularly helpful for safety reasons, as it lets someone track your location in real time during an active ride or simply review your trip route after it's completed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share your Uber trip details with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.